So, good morning, friends. Today we are going to start the new point of the chemical thermodynamics. So, last time we have seen about the pressure volume type of work done, and also we have studied the equation, that is W is equal to minus P external into delta V. So, we studied that equation, how to derive that equation for the pressure volume type of work done. Now there is another point, that is the free expansion of gas. So what is this free expansion of gas? And the question will be asked like this. When gas is expanded in a vacuum, no work is done. Explain. प्रश्न काय आहे बघा, when gas is expanded in a vacuum, no work is done. Explain. Or another way, the question will arise like this: explain pre-expansion of gas. So what is actually this pre-expansion of gas? Pre-expansion of gas means here the gas when expand in a vacuum. निर्वात पोकळी. व्हॅक्यूम म्हणजे काय? तर निर्वात पोकळी. या निर्वात पोकळीमध्ये ज्या वेळेस गॅस एक्सपांड होतो, सो व्हेन दिस गॅस एक्सपांड इन अ व्हॅक्यूम. व्हॅक्यूम म्हणजे काय? निर्वात पोकळी. याच्यामध्ये ज्यावेळेस एक्सपांड होतो, देन देर इज नो वर्क विल बी डन. सो हाऊ इट इज वी कॅन प्रूव्ह लाईक दिस no work is done. So in a vacuum, so first we know that in a vacuum there is no opposing force. There is no opposing force. There will be the increase in volume. There will be the value of delta V, but there will be no external opposing force. In a vacuum, निर्वात पोकळीमध्ये काय असणार नाहीये? There is no external opposing force. That means according to the equation, our equation, we have this W is equal to work done is equal to minus P external into delta V. So this is our equation we derived last time. So in a vacuum, that means in a free expansion of a gas, that means this is the expansion of gas in a vacuum, the external opposing force, that means this external pressure is absent. There is no external opposing force. So value of this P external, value of this P external is equal to 0. Here value is 0. So when 0 into delta V, then finally here W becomes 0. W becomes 0, that means there is no work is done in a कशामध्ये? Vacuum. That means during free expansion of gas. So this is the solution. म्हणजे पहिल्यांदा काय लिहायचं आपल्याला काय स्टार्ट करायला लागेल? फ्री एक्सपांशन ऑफ गॅस. दॅट मीन्स दिस इज द एक्सपांशन ऑफ गॅस इन अ व्हॅक्यूम. So in a vacuum there is value of delta V, but the P external, that means the external opposing force is absent. Is absent, that means it is 0. So when this value is 0, then total multiplication is 0, therefore W is equal to 0. So no expansion, there is no work done in a free expansion of gas. So this was the another point. Then next point we have to study, that is the concept of maximum work. So again another new point is a concept of maximum work. So when this maximum work is obtained, so we have to study, or we have to remember certain conditions when there is work done, but finally we have to decide at what condition the maximum work will be done. So this is the new point, concept of maximum work. So again for this purpose we have to remember the expansion of a gas. again we have to remember here the gas cylinder in which the gas, certain amount of gas is enclosed, and when this gas is fitted with wetless and frictionless piston. So this is the initial level of gas. हा काय आहे? So this is the gas. So if this is the P is the pressure of this gas. ह्या गॅसचं काय आहे? If this P is the pressure of this gas, that means this P is the driving force, and the external pressure which is applying on this piston, that is, this is the P external. So here the external pressure we can write here P external. So again these things we have to remember while considering or while understanding this concept of maximum work. So according to here the free expansion of gas. So the first point we have to consider that if there is a free expansion of gas, that means when gas is expanded in a vacuum there is no work done. So again we have studied this. So the first condition is there is no work will be done when there is a free expansion of gas. That means when gas is expanded in a vacuum. Then the second condition we have to consider the second condition. In second condition, if we consider that if we increase the opposing force, व्हॅक्यूम मध्ये काय नाहीये, अपोजिंग फोर्सेस नाहीये. मग आता आपण सेकंडली काय केलं, इफ वी इन्क्रीज द अपोजिंग फोर्स that means this P external, if we increase from 0 to more, म्हणजे 0 पासून काय करायला लागलो, if we increase the opposing force, हा opposing force काय करायला लागलो from 0, if we start to increase, हा आपण start करायला लागलो increase करायला, मग काय होणार आहे बघा, then काय होईल, there will be the more work will be done. हळूहळू काय केलं, opposing force व्हॅक्यूम मध्ये काय होतं, फोर्स सबसेंट होता, 0 होता, मग आपण काय करायला लागलो, if we increase the opposing force from 0 to more certain values, हळूहळू आपण वाढवायला लागलो, then there will be work done. त्यावेळेस काय व्हायला लागतं, work is done. So greater the opposing force, here the this system will try to do the work to oppose this force, opposing external pressure, oppose करायला काय करेल, this is the work done by the system. जसं आपण काय करायला लागलो, opposing force वाढवायला लागलो की काय होतं, there will be the work done by this system to overcome this opposing force. हा opposing force overcome करायला ही system काय करायला लागते, it start doing the work. So there is a work will be done. Third condition बघा, if we still going on increasing this external pressure, and if that external pressure, that means that opposing force, if it is greater than this opposing force, if it is greater than this driving force काय करतोय, it push the piston in upward direction for the expansion of gas. But if we are increasing the external pressure, but if we increase this external pressure, opposing force, and if this becomes greater than the driving force, then this process gets reversed. That means expansion gets reversed and it performs the work of compression. So this is the work done on the system, and this is the work of compression. This is the work done on the system by the surrounding. So this is not the maximum work. We are going to find out the condition suitable for the maximum work. आपण एक condition बघायला लागलेला आहे. So if this external pressure is greater than the driving force, that means the pressure of the gas, then the system will get reversed, and instead of expansion, the compression of gas will take place. take place. So this is the work done on the system by the surrounding. ठीक आहे. So there is no maximum work. मग आता maximum work कधी होईल? मग आता लास्टला त्यांनी काय कन्सिडर केलं? if काय केलं? So if this external pressure, that means external opposing force, if it is infinitesimally, infinitesimally म्हणजे काय? Very small quantity ने काय असेल? If it is infinitesimally smaller than the driving force. If this external pressure म्हणजेच काय? If they differ, हे काय असणार? These two forces they differ from each other by very infinitesimally small quantity. That means lastला त्यांनी काय कन्सिडर केलं? If this pressure of gas, that means the driving force, and बघा, if this external pressure, their difference is very small, that means if it is a dp, याचा अर्थ काय? These are two forces, driving force and the opposing force, if they differ from each other by very small quantity, infinitesimally small quantity, that is the delta p, then what will happen? आता मग हे थोडंसं सिम्प्लिफाय करूया. So here this is the consideration. Then minus p external is equal to काय होईल बघा या ठिकाणी, किंवा आपण काय करूया, टोटली एक स्टेप कट करूया. and if this p external is equal to, ही साइड इकडे घेतली, ही साइड इकडे घेतली, so it becomes p minus delta p. P minus delta p. So this p external is equal to p minus delta p. Then again we have the equation w is equal to minus p external into काय delta v. Last time we derived this equation, and if the value of this p external, that means p minus dp, if it is substituted in this format, so w is equal to काय होईल? मायनस हे आज सबस्टिट्यूट करूया, p minus delta p into delta v. काय केलं? This is the consideration. Then p external gets the value p minus delta p. Then by substituting this value in our work done equation, so w minus p external into delta v. So p external जी आहे त्याची ही value इथे substitute केली. Then carefully observe this. So for work done, ज्यावेळेस वर्क हे मॅक्सिमम वर्क असायला लागतं त्यावेळेस बघा, if the value of this delta p is smaller, then the product will be the greater, and then the work done will be the greater. Mathematically consider करा, if this delta p is the smaller, जर ह्याची व्हॅल्यू ग्रेटर झाली तर काय होणार आहे? ह्याचे सबट्रॅक्शन काय होईल? लेस, and their product again becomes less, so value of w becomes less. त्याऐवजी if delta p, the value of the delta p is the smaller, then its subtraction is greater, and then the product of this p minus dp into dv becomes greater, so w becomes greater, maximum work can be done. So आता delta p आलाय कुठून या ठिकाणी? So this delta p is p minus p external. That means for maximum work, the value of delta p must be the smaller. That means the opposing force and the driving force, they must differ in smaller, infinitesimally small quantity. Or in another words, we can say that for maximum work done, the opposing force, that means this p external, must be infinitesimally smaller. infinitesimally म्हणजेच काय? very small. ह्या दोघांच्या मधला डिफरन्स कसा पाहिजे? very small पाहिजे. So this p external, that means this opposing force should be infinitesimally smaller quantity than that of the driving force. And then delta p will be the smaller and the work will be done maximum. So this was the concept of maximum work.